Good morning, students. Today I am here with the last video of chapter 1 of second book. Students, we have discussed yesterday about the formation of first state in India on the basis of language, that was Andhra Pradesh, and I have ended my lecture with this, that because the Telugu speaking people, they were successful to achieve one separate state for them, so such type of movements and such type of demands now raised in different part of India, and what happened? Now the government of India was forced to appoint a state reorganization commission in 1953. In 1953, the government of India has appointed a commission named as State Reorganization Commission, and what work was given to that commission? To solve the question of redrawing of the boundaries of states. Fazal Ali was the chairman of this commission. Which was the commission? State Reorganization Commission. When was it formed? It was formed in 1953. What was its main work? Its main work to solve the question of redrawing the boundaries of Indian states. Now, this commission was also agreed that the states should be created in India on the basis of language, and this was given in its report. Means this State Reorganization Commission has given its report that in India the boundaries of the states must be fixed on the basis of language. On the basis of that report given by that commission, an act was passed in 1956 that was known as State Reorganization Act. In which year? In 1956. And according to that act, in the beginning 14 states, you can see in the map, 14 states and 6 union territories were created in India. On what basis? On the basis of State Reorganization Act. And this act was passed in 1956, which was based on the report of State Reorganization Commission. Now, what was the impact of this formation of states on the basis of language, or the linguistic states? In the beginning of this topic, I have told you that the leaders of India, or the government of India, was having a fear that just now we have faced the partition of India, and if we will create states on the basis of language, so what will happen? There will be more parts of India, more disintegration will be there. But it didn't happen. This resulted in a positive way. What happened? The regional leaders, they became the part of national politics. There was uniform division of states because all the states were created on the basis of language. Means the people speaking the same language were given one state. And it didn't disintegrate India, but it strengthened the national unity. And one more thing, you know that there is diversity in India. diversity of language, diversity of culture, various type of diversities are there. But when the states were created on the basis of language, it has given the acceptance of the unity in diversity in India. There was acceptance of diversity of India. Students, the creation of states on the basis of language did not stop with the 14 states and 6 union territories. It kept on going. In 2000, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Uttarakhand were created. In 2014, the latest state Telangana was created. And latest you can say Jammu Kashmir, which was earlier a state, now it is no more a state. And 2 union territories have been created. One is Ladakh and another one is Jammu and Kashmir. So there were demands of creating many states on the basis of language. So many states were also created. Now we are having 28 states. This demand for new state had not come to an end. In Maharashtra, the people of Vidarbha, they are asking for separate state. UP people, they are asking for Harit Pradesh. So still the demands are going on, but Indian government managed all the three problems of making India one nation. That was partition and rehabilitation, then merger of princely states in India, and third one was reorganization of the state. All the questions were solved in a peaceful way, and India is having unity in diversity. So students, that's all with this chapter. And you must know that in our September exam or in first term exam, your syllabus is up to this chapter only. 6 lessons of first book and 1 lesson of this book. This is the syllabus for your September exam 2020. That's all. Goodbye.